This is how you know I'm serious. Anyway, welcome back to another episode of On Again with Andre Glenn. And this will be another vlog, you know, but this one we're gonna be talking about hats. So yo, we did a bachelor party t-shirt concept for my homeboy Les, who got married in Las Vegas, and we thought the t-shirts would really stand out if we actually had hats. It was kind of a last minute decision, but we got it done. I wasn't really able to work with a lot of the embroidery places around, so I actually had to call in a favor. That favor was my homeboy Matt. Matt has a home-based business, Bad X Prints, super professional, super dope, and he was able to provide what we needed on time. Let's talk about these hats. But before that, I ain't got a lot of time, you ain't got a lot of time, but the great thing about YouTube is you slow the video down, you can rewind the video, you fast forward the video. Nevertheless, I shouldn't have to slow down in order for you to catch up. And yo, this hat came out dope to go with this design. Again, this is a Supacolor transfer, and this is a fitted cap, or I mean snapback cap that we had outsourced by the homie Matt with Bad X Printing. And you know, he did a fantastic job of providing what we needed to us with a short turnaround. So yo, he really came in clutch. Thanks, Matt. The Heather Gray t-shirt was Bella+Canvas. We were actually trying to get like an exact match to that, you know, to that t-shirt, but this was the closest we could get, which was a Sport Tek Heather Gray. And it was pretty close. Like when you put it on your head, and you know, you couldn't tell the difference. We actually wanted to get a New Era hat at first. The New Era hats weren't available at the time. So the only thing we could do was go with the, you know, the closest thing we could find color-wise and style-wise was this Sport Tek. And I'll just compare a New Era hat to a Sport Tek hat. As you can see, the brim, I'm not sure yet. The brim is smaller on the Sport Tek than on the New Era. Both of these have pretty stiff front, like cover areas. So both of these are like, you know, firm, like forehead areas. I don't know what you would call that. And then you got your snapback on the back. 100% wool, and this Sport Tek is made of 80% wool, 20% elastic. I would definitely say that the New Era hat is a little bit just like larger, but this is a good fit. You know what I mean? This is a good fit. You know, all the people that wore it didn't look out of place. It looked good. You know, we were styling it, so you know, we enjoyed it. It was dope. So yo, the Raiders officially destroyed Las Vegas. Well, LA officially came and took Las Vegas over, for crying out loud, with this man's game. So, this is the hotel I'm staying at, the Luxor. I wouldn't mind suggesting other people to check it out. It's pretty dope. Raiders fans. So, matte with badass prints. So holla at them. Thanks, Matt. As always, y'all, peace. So I'm gonna give y'all a little exclusiveness about Vegas. My man's right here at top. He run Las Vegas. He will get you knocked out the game.